submit ira report hari ko ikat bala.
In a significant stride towards sustainable energy solutions, the Department of Customs today has generously donated 49 solar panels to 4 villages, namely Maujrong, Dimpep, Lajsoplia and Sora Rim. The initiative is an integral part of the CBIC Swachhta Action Programme for the year 2023-2024. The total value of this contribution amounts to approximately 9 lakh rupees. CBIC Chairman Sanjay Kumar Agarwal along with Sora MLA Gavin Millimngap graced the event held today at Deng Kinthong village. Speaking on the occasion, Sanjay Kumar Agarwal said that the installation of these solar panels will exemplify a sustainable approach towards energy consumption and fostering an environment of progress and self-sufficiency in these 4 villages.
So their life is increased. In times of power outage, these lights will be very useful, and we will keep on these activities in future also. And as mentioned that by MLAG, that there are many places worth visiting in this area.